Hello everyone. On May 3rd, 2024 at 10:08 pm, Jupiter will undergo combustion as it gets closer to the Sun while in Taurus. This means Jupiter's energy might feel weakened. Taurus, governed by Venus, is not the most supportive of Jupiter, so it's important to be cautious, especially in matters of love and marriage during this time. Engaging in such endeavors could bring about significant challenges. Combustion happens when a planet gets too close to the Sun in a specific zodiac sign. Jupiter's combustion in Taurus is set for May 3, 2024, further influenced by Venus' relationship of Taurus. This alignment might make Jupiter's influence feel less potent. It's advisable to maintain positivity in your relationships and be mindful of potential conflicts, particularly within the family. Remember, nurturing understanding and communication can help navigate any rough patches. Join us in this video where we explore the impact of Jupiter's combust transit in Taurus across all 12 zodiac signs. We will offer tailored insights into each sign's unique traits and tendencies in this video. Now, let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Aries individuals starting May 3, 2024. Aries, known for its dynamic nature, will have Jupiter ruling their 9th and 12th houses, becoming combust in their 2nd house. Career-wise, there is potential for moderate satisfaction and new job opportunities. For those in business, there may be increased profits and fresh prospects. Financially, expect gains from foreign sources and better saving opportunities. On a personal level, nurturing harmony with your partner and staying positive can enhance your relationship during Jupiter's combust in Taurus. Regarding health, maintaining a positive outlook might boost immunity and overall well-being. To maximize the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit starting May 3rd, 2024, Aries natives are advised to perform a puja for Jupiter on Thursdays. This ritual can help align energies and bring about favorable outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Taurus individuals starting from May 3rd, 2024. For Taurus natives, Jupiter rules the 8th and 11th houses but will become combust in the 1st house. This alignment could lead to throat-related issues and sudden financial hurdles. Career-wise, you might face unwelcome changes in your job and feel dissatisfied. Challenges from colleagues could add to the stress. In business, there is a risk of losses and financially, you may experience fluctuations, making saving opportunities limited. Your relationships might be strained, leading to more arguments with your partner. Health-wise, watch out for throat and lung infections, requiring extra care. To boost positive outcomes and ease the negative effects of Jupiter's combust transit, Taurus individuals are advised to perform a Jupiter puja on Thursdays. This ritual can help balance energies and bring about better results. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Gemini individuals starting from May 3rd, 2024. For Gemini natives, Jupiter governs the 7th and 10th houses but will become combust in the 12th house. This suggests potential sudden changes in both relationships and career paths. During this time, You may encounter opportunities for new jobs or relocations related to your career. However, not all changes may be beneficial. If you are in business, be cautious of sudden losses and increased spending, which might limit your saving opportunities. In terms of health, you may experience discomfort such as leg pain or joint stiffness, indicating a weakened immune system. To enhance positive outcomes and alleviate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit, starting 3rd May 2024, Gemini individuals are encouraged to chant Lingashtakam on Thursdays. This practice can help balance energies and improve overall well-being. Let's delve into how Jupiter's combust transit will influence Cancer individuals starting from May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, governing the 6th and 9th houses for Cancer natives, will become combust in the 11th house. This suggests the potential for gradual but sudden financial gains through persistent efforts. In terms of career, expect significant progress and satisfaction as your hard work pays off. Business endeavors could also bring fulfillment and substantial profits. Your relationships, especially with your life partner, may experience greater harmony, fostering peace and contentment. Overall, your well-being might improve thanks to inner happiness, lowering the risk of major health issues. To amplify the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit, starting May 3rd, 2024, Cancer individuals are advised to donate food to handicapped persons. This act of charity can help balance energies and bring about more favorable outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Leo individuals starting May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, governing the 5th and 8th houses for Leo natives, will become combust in the 10th house. This might raise concerns about their children's development and professional pursuits. Expect potential job instability, leading to frequent changes due to dissatisfaction during Jupiter's combust in Taurus. Business ventures might face setbacks, causing financial fluctuations. Moreover, personal relationships could suffer from ego-related issues with life partners. Health-wise, there might be concerns due to weakened immune system. To boost positive outcomes and alleviate the negative effects of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3rd, 2024, Leo individuals are advised to chant the Om Bruhaspataye Namaha mantra daily 21 times. This practice can help balance energies and bring about more favorable circumstances. Let's delve into how Jupiter's combust transit will impact Virgo individuals starting May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, governing both the 7th and 4th houses for Virgo natives, will become combust in the 9th house. This suggests a mix of positive and negative outcomes concerning fortune and career advancement. Expect possible career changes bringing favorable opportunities, especially in international ventures. Those involved in business might see profits from foreign dealings and travel-related enterprises, though progress may be gradual rather than swift. Financially, there is potential for steady but moderate savings. However, satisfaction in relationships may be lacking, although overall health seems stable with no major concerns. To enhance the positive effects and alleviate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3rd, 2024, Virgo individuals are recommended to observe fasting on Thursdays. This practice can help balance energies and bring about better outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust direct transit will affect Libra individuals starting May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, ruling both the 3rd and 6th houses for Libra natives, will become combust in the 8th house. This alignment suggests favorable outcomes in careers with potential job opportunities on the horizon. Those in business may find profitability and chances for expansion, possibly initiating new ventures. Financially, gains are likely, offering opportunities to bolster savings. In relationships, there is potential for deepening love, perhaps even leading to marriage. Health-wise, Libra natives can anticipate a period of well-being. To enhance positive effects and mitigate negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3rd, 2024, Libra individuals are advised to donate rice to women on Fridays. This act of charity can help balance energies and bring about more favorable outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Scorpio individuals starting May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, ruling over the 2nd and 5th houses for Scorpio natives, will combust in the 7th house, indicating potential professional challenges. Despite these challenges, Scorpios possess the capability and determination to overcome them. Adapting business strategies becomes essential for maintaining competitiveness. Family issues may arise, necessitating adjustments for harmony. However, health-wise, Scorpios are likely to enjoy good well-being with few concerns. To boost positive effects and alleviate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3rd, 2024, Scorpio individuals are recommended to worship Lord Shiva in the temple on Thursdays and light an oil lamp. This practice can help balance and energies and bring about more favorable outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Sagittarius individuals starting May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, governing their 1st and 4th houses, will become combust in the 6th house, potentially causing detrimental effects. Expect fluctuations in the standard of living, especially in career matters. Challenges in the job market might lead to job changes, and entrepreneurs may face increasing losses amidst tough competition. During Jupiter's combust in Taurus, relationships may encounter growing tension and disagreements, while health-wise weakened immunity could result in severe throat infections. To enhance positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3, 2024, Sagittarius individuals are advised to donate food to old Brahmins on Thursdays. This act of charity can help balance energies and lead to better outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter combust transit will affect Capricorn individuals starting May 3rd, 2024. Jupiter, governing both the 3rd and 12th houses for Capricorn natives, will become combust in the 5th house. This alignment suggests favorable career advancement and new job opportunities, bringing significant satisfaction. In business, they have the potential to earn substantial profits and effectively manage ventures, possibly through outsourcing strategies. Relationships are characterized by harmony and mutual understanding with life partners. However, they may face expenses related to their children's health care. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit starting May 3rd, 2024, Capricorn individuals are recommended to chant the Om Namah Shivaya mantra 108 times while visiting a Shiva temple on Thursdays. This practice can help balance energies and lead to better outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will affect Aquarius individuals starting May 3, 2024. Jupiter, ruling the 2nd and 11th houses for these individuals, will become combust in the 4th house. As a result, smooth financial outcomes and spiritual growth may face obstacles. Expect potential career changes or relocations, and successful business ventures may require careful financial management. Relationships could encounter challenges due to misunderstandings, leading to ego clashes with partners. Additionally, there may be health issues related to joint stiffness. To enhance the positive effects and alleviate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3, 2024, Aquarius individuals are advised to chant Om Hanumate Namaha 108 times while visiting a Hanuman temple on Saturdays. This practice can help balance energies and lead to their better outcomes. Let's explore how Jupiter's combust transit will influence Pisces individuals starting May 3, 2024. With Jupiter governing both the 1st and 10th houses for them, it will become combust in the 3rd house. Career-wise, they might feel pressure and dissatisfaction due to challenging work conditions. In business, low profits could stem from insufficient growth. During Jupiter's combust in Taurus, relationships may suffer due to misunderstandings with partners caused by ego issues. Additionally, they might experience increased stress and digestive problems during this period. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of Jupiter's combust transit from May 3, 2024, Pisces individuals are recommended to chant the Om Shiva Om mantra 108 times while visiting a Shiva temple on Thursdays. This practice can help balance energies and lead to better outcomes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.